Hey everybody, it's Joanna after 40 here. A little shout out to the 80s and 90s today. I'm wearing my Depeche Mode shirt and I have on my lips. Not gonna lie, it's probably a little old and I should recycle it, but I love it. It is the special edition original Viva Glam from MAC that came out in the 90s. So, a little shout out to my college years. I'm celebrating this weekend with my college friends, so socially distanced, of course. So, I wanted to give a little shout out to the glorious 90s. So, today we're doing our August Ipsy Glamour Bag Ultimate unboxing. So it arrived yesterday. I saw the postman coming up my stoop, and I said, I think that pink box is for me. And it was. And we had a little chat about the current state of affairs with the Postal Service, and he went along his way. So we got the Ipsy box, and I'm actually going to pull this a little closer. I just want to make sure you saw my awesome shirt today. And here we go. So I have pre-cut the box, and inside it says that I need to discover myself, which I'm about to do with all of you. And this is the box, so let's get started and see what's inside. So in no particular order, let's get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, this one looked cool. Okay. This says Vanilla Vibes on the side. It is from Juliet, has a gun, and I think is perfume. Yeah, it's a parfum. So let's see if I can open this up. So this looks like it's a deluxe sample. I feel like I've smelled this before, but I like that it's vanilla. Yeah, a squirt. Ooh. All right, just a little bit. Ooh, oh, it's strong, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm always curious about perfumes because they smell a little different on every person depending on your own pheromones. All right, I'm going to leave it on during the video, and then I'll give you an update later on what I think, but not sure yet. All right, next item is from Payot Paris. It is the Hydra 24 Cream Glacé Plumping Moisturizing Care. Okay, cool. It's a nice giant box. So this is a full size, and I will put either on the screen or in the description box or both the value for these. It says inside, be cool, be fresh. Hopefully we're cool today because it's a hot day here in Boston. Okay. Oh, wow. I hate it when I go, oh, the packaging is beautiful, because I feel like it's like, oh, the item isn't good, but the package is pretty. But I have no idea if the item is good, but this package is so pretty. How pretty would this be in your bathroom or on your stand? So let me just take a look. Okay, so it's nicely closed. It's a nice solid glass bottle. Oh wow, it's nice and creamy. It's a very, very light scent. So this is what the product looks like. And you can see that it's quite thick. So let's put a little on my hand and give it a try. Okay, so it's actually not too heavy. It's really nice. My skin is glowing. I don't know if you can see that. My pale skin glowing. But yeah, really nice and light. Very, very light fragrance. So this will definitely be tested out, and I may end up putting in a future I try before you buy. Okay. Well, oh, there's so much in here. So much to get through. So this is the Beauty for Real. Looks like it's a mascara. Yep, it's the High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara. So that is the packaging. The color is just black. And let's take a look and see. Okay, so this is a full-size mascara. And let's take a look at the wand. Huh. This is a very strange wand. So this looks like it'll be really good for lower lashes, but I'll test it out. You know, I've been testing out some drugstore mascaras. I'll test out this one as well. I have no doubt that it's probably vegan and cruelty-free because that's the way Ipsy rolls. Yep, I see the cruelty-free on there. So I will definitely test this out and let you know in a future video. I think I got this hemp's last time. Triple moisture, pure herbal extracts, triple moisture body cream. What's this say here? All day moisturizing. I don't love this brand. I find that the creams are very liquidy. Oh, this one doesn't look too liquidy though. Let's give it a try on this hand. Okay, so I have a scent, that's what I'm looking for. I don't know. I'll let you know. If there's a scent, I'll put it in the description. Oh, yeah, remember I said that that other one smelled like Pez? It smells a little like Pez too. It's not a strong scent, but it's extremely fruity. But it does actually feel nice. All right. It's 100%, oh, it's got hemp seed oil in it, which is, what weed is made out of. Weed. That's why it's called hemp, and has a marijuana label. Whatever. We'll give it a shot. All right. Here is, ooh, this is something different. This is the coconut milk hair mist with vitamin E. It says hydrate and shine. It's from the brand Soap and Hope. I love the name. I have a feeling maybe this company gives back. Oh yeah, there's a Hope code on the back. So I will put a little information on the screen once I research this. You know what? I'm going to leave it closed, and I've been doing some testing of hair products, so I will put this into the test run, give you feedback next hair video. But excited to try that out. We've got 111 Skin of London. This says it is the Cryo ATP Sports Booster. Oh, I guess it's meant to be used after you exercise? I'm thinking, not sure, but again, just openings for the first time. Oh, wow. Super cool packaging. Can you see that shine? Wow. All right. Well, I will let you know more about this product as I learn more about it. Interesting. Some good stuff. Some really different stuff this time. All right. What do we have here next? This is from Complex Culture. So this is the packaging. It's kind of light. It says, life's complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier, one eco-friendly product at a time, starting with this brush. Let's be honest. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I have a lot of brushes and I just did a clean out, but I really like the brushes that I get from Ipsy. So this is 100% biodegradable handle with matte velvet finish, vegan, cruelty-free, dense synthetic oh my gosh. Yeah, bristles. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look at this. Oh, okay. This looks like a nice brush. Let's see what kind of brush it is. Plush powder. So it's a powder brush. So I've said earlier, I don't tend to use a lot of powder because it's not great for older skin, but wow. Okay, this brush is so soft. It's like almost feels as soft as my kitty who is lying next to me. So we'll see. We'll give it a try. Maybe I'll test it out with powder. Maybe I'll test it out with blush, but very nice. I also make a regift, which is sometimes what I do, so maybe one of you will get it. Next up, we got Fix It Up Mini Matte Setting Spray, Long Lasting, SS585 from Koki. So I have heard of Koki. Not sure if you have, but it's possible that I've heard about it because I've been doing Ipsy for a while. But I actually really don't use setting spray, and I could probably use it, especially now that I'm putting on a little bit more makeup these days, and I am sweating. So this is actually made in the USA, but the company is, made in the USA and made in Brussels. So I think this is the US branch of a company from Europe. Fix It Up. We'll give it a try. Let me do a little spray now. Doesn't really smell much, which is good. Really nice and fresh, and it is a setting spray, long lasting, so I'll let you know how it goes. Lots more in this box. Lots more. All right, next up we have from Cake, which is Naturally Luxe Beauty. Oh, another hair product. This is called the Curl Friend Totally to Die For Defining Curl Cream. It's a nice size sample. So I'm going to add this into, it says frizz fighting, curl defining, glossy silk styling. So this is great. I'm excited. I've actually never heard of this product. So you know I love a good curly hair product. So we will try that one out and I will definitely let you know. What is this? This is, I really need this. This is from the company Feel, which I have tried before and I've liked. This is a vitamin E balm. So it doesn't specifically say that it's for lips, but it looks like, oh yeah, it's definitely designed for lips. It's really big. So I have been having really bad problems lately with my dry lips. So this will be great. So I'm just putting a little on my hand. It's really hard to tell. It is very light, but I do like the fact that it's got vitamin E in it. I think that is supposed to really help with hydration. So we'll test out this and Feel and give you an update in a future video. There's more. Next up, we've got the Real Her I AM Amazing 24-Hour Eyeliner. So I have not been using eyeliner lately, but this one will definitely be tested out. And let's see, it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, infused with love, waterproof, smudge-proof, and it's long wear. Now, what color is it? It is probably some sort of a neutral, like a black. I'm thinking by the packaging that it's probably black, but let's open it up and find out. It's not too easy to open, but that's okay. My nails are not cooperating, so let's pull out those trusty scissors. Yeah, right. So this is the eyeliner, and it looks like it's a deluxe sample. It's not huge, but that's good because I don't really use eyeliner too much. It's black. All right, it looks like a really nice fine tip. So let's try this out on my hand. Okay. So it's actually not that fine. Looks like it's bleeding a little bit, but it had a nice glide. So again, I have not really been wearing this, but I am totally happy to try it out and let you know what I think. Okay, so it looks like we've got 2 more items to go, plus the bag, which was tucked on the bottom, so I'll show you. But I also want to show you that I just took a break and cleaned off my hand. That eyeliner came off in 2 seconds with a makeup wipe. So that's great, because it says it's 24-hour and it's long lasting, but it came off really nicely with makeup wipe, which is important. You don't want to have that, you know, when you take off mascara and you don't get it all off and you have like black goop around. Not so great. So, all right. So I saved the palettes for the end. Okay. So here is one of the last 2 items. They're both palettes. This is the Real Her Playbook Shadow Palette. So you know what? I like it because it's small. It will fit into my makeup box. It looks like it's about the same size as the multiple ColourPop ones that I have. So this is paraben-free, certified cruelty-free, natural ingredients, vegan, long-wearing, and sulfate-free. Featuring richly pigmented hues and sexy combinations designed for all eye colors and skin tones. Long-lasting, crease-resistant, fade-resistant, buildable colors. And it looks like it is actually the 3 shadow palette. So it has a very light 3 eyes on it, like Roman numerals. So here's the palette, so you can see there's the 3. And it's actually really nice and sturdy, but not too bulky. Oh, okay. So this is, I'm going to find something to cover up the mirror. So this is actually a very neutral palette. You can see these colors. And, you know, I love my shiny, my sparkles, so I'm gravitating towards this one, which looks a lot lighter on the screen, but it's called Impeccable. It's like this nice sort of rose gold sparkle. There's another one that has sparkle in it called Alluring here. And yeah, really nice neutrals. All right, so before we get to the final palette, the piece de resistance, here is this month's bag. So it's pretty. It's very iridescent, as you can see. It's on the smaller side, which is okay because I like that Ipsy gives me bags of all sizes. So I'm stretching it out a bit so you can see there's sort of how big it is. So this actually is probably a really good bag for me to keep in my desk at work or in my work bag because it's not huge, it's easy to spot, and it's got a nice zipper. So that will be used. And then the final palette. Da, 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 da. Ooh, special. Oh, okay. This I remember. So this was actually not part of this particular Ipsy box. So this is a special edition Ipsy palette, not for sale. It is from the brand Nomad, and it is the Nomad X Berlin Underground. So let's open it up. So I love an exclusive palette. So thanks, Ipsy. So here we go. So this is my palette. Da, 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 da. Oh, before we go. It is Intense Eyeshadow Palette. It is designed on location in Berlin, Germany, manufactured in a lab in China, and it is distributed here in the USA. I see the cruelty-free vegan sign and a couple other symbols that I don't know what they mean. 12 months. This has a 12-month lifespan. That's actually really helpful. So next summer, this will need to be discarded. All right, so, oh gosh, wow. Whew. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. I know, you're waiting to see it. Hello, beautiful. I'm covering up the mirror, I'm learning. So, this screen doesn't give it justice. These are so pretty. Gosh, I don't know which one to start with first. The one that I'm gravitating most towards is that gorgeous green. But also, look at this one. So the green is called NDW. And then this one that I'm also loving is SO36. I don't know what these mean, that one. And then the other one that I'm loving has got a little bit more of a blue. It is called the Eastside Gallery. I don't know if you can see, but they all have these sort of really quirky skulls with mohawks embedded in. I don't think you can see it well, so I'll take a picture and insert it here, but I'll also take a picture in better light of this palette. But let me do a quick swipe. Okay, we're going to do a swipe of this color, this sort of green color that I'm loving. Oh, wow. Sorry for the middle finger. Let's do a little swatch. Okay, it's a... all right, so so it needs definitely a couple of swipes to blend it in, but once you blend it in, oh, it's like butter. Oh, I wish I could show you better. Let's see if I can get into a better light here. There we go. I might swatch a few more and take some pictures and insert them because this is really pretty. So you can't buy it, but if you do a lot of Ipsy like I do, you may be able to get something free too. So that is it. That is this month's Ipsy. So much stuff to try. So I will incorporate some things in the future, try before I buy, and I'll let you know what I think. So this is Joanna, After 40, signing off on a cloudy but warm day here in Boston. Listen to Depeche Mode, and see you soon. Have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.